Okay, good morning, everyone. Today we will go on understanding the marketing plan, how we can help everyone to build their network and to make amount of money, bonuses that you never expected, how much you will get. But with following the system, you can get a very good income, and it's not a very big investment that you're going to be. It's a very cheap investment, and the turnover is really good. End of the day, you will benefited. I see a lot of people who join DXN, nobody is bankrupt. Everybody is earning money. Okay. If anybody join DXN, they say bankrupt, I don't know what to say. Okay. So following, okay, we are talking about regular consumer. Okay. In a basic, we all buy lot of groceries from the supermarket. Okay. Tesco, Giant, small 7-Eleven, KK Supermarket. We are going and get our daily needs in this supermarket. Okay. We spend money. They don't give us free. We are spending our money to buy from them. And we must know where the money goes and how we can get back the money. Currently, we see we only spend, but nobody returned that. Did KK give you the money back? Did the Mydin supermarket give you the money back? The most of it, they give you a small voucher that can you can redeem it according to the amount. Like 200 ringgit you buy, you got 1 ringgit free. Yeah, rather than they give, not to give better. Okay, but how DXN can help you in this better? We are buying so many things from the supermarket and regular groceries supermarket, but we don't get single cent back. Okay, we don't get a single cent back. You must know where the money that you spend goes. That is very important. Okay, all the manufacturing company production, they make a production. Okay, when they make the production, 40% goes to the manufacturer. Okay, and 60% goes to the marketing, distribution, and advertising. In reality, RM 6 ringgit loss every 10 ringgit you spend. Okay, you bring 100 ringgit to the supermarket, you buy 100 ringgit value of product. The manufacturing company only earn 40%, but 60% is being utilized for the marketing, distribution, and advertising. These are the things the money goes. So if we can turn around the 60% to become in our pocket, and we become marketing, we become distributor, and we become advertising, I think we all happy. Okay, so that's why DXN we call one dragon concept. Everything done by them. Okay, in a normal concept, traditional concept, everything done by separate company. When it goes to one company to B company, the product price automatically increased. When B company is sending to the C company, they mark up 10%. End up 1 ringgit product, we paying 5 ringgit. Okay, lot of people in the middle grab the money, but you are spending so much, but you don't get anything worthy. Okay, and most of the product become very cheap market product, and they sell you very costly, even though they don't have any organic. Lot of chemical has been used. They're using their own brand, like Tesco. They're packing themselves, but when you see the hygienic certification, they don't have. They just pack and sell with cheap price. We go, we buy, we use. These are the things is going on. Okay, we here DXN talk about smart consumerism. Okay, when we talk about smart consumerism, we should spend and we should get back. That means every 10 ringgit you spend, you must get something back to you. If you don't get something back to you, no point you're buying from that place. Okay, we are consumer. Okay, regular consumer, smart consumer. What is the difference between these two? Okay, you see, understanding the marketing plan. Okay, the traditional market, factory. Okay, I draw something you can see. Okay, you see the factory taking 4 ringgit. Okay, warehouse taking like 10 ringgit product. Okay, the value of 10 ringgit, you see, 5 ringgit, 1 ringgit taken by the warehouse, 1 ringgit taken by the wholesaler, 1 ringgit by sales agent, department store 1 ringgit, retailer 1 ringgit. So 5 ringgit going to the middleman. But factory only get the 4 ringgit. 6 ringgit is goes to the and the consumer. We add another 1 ringgit, we pay 10 ringgit. So the product value is 10 ringgit, you buy. But end of the day, factory only go 4 ringgit, and all the middlemen grab the money, and the last consumer, you pay extra, you buy. So we need to convert this part, this portion, okay, become our revenue. How to do that? We change the supermarket. Instead, we go to traditional supermarket, we go to DSN supermarket. Very simple. Okay. So why DSN supermarket? We have our own cultivation, own factory, and we have own distribution. So we totally remove the total middleman concept. We don't have the middleman concept. Okay. We deliver direct to the consumer. When we deliver direct to the consumer, we are eliminating 6 ringgit here. Okay. When we are eliminating 6 ringgit, this 6 ringgit come back to your pocket. Okay. That is called smart consumerism. Okay. Clear this part? So smart consumerism means you must get back what you spend. Currently, what you spend, you don't get anything. You give the Tesco become richer. You become all the supermarket become richer. End of the day, you become poorer. And after we come back home, we said, oh, I bring 100 ringgit. Everything is finished. Nothing I bring back. Okay, so expensive. Yeah. But you shop in DXN, you bring 100 ringgit. End of the day, you get back the money. At least 20 ringgit, 30 ringgit. This is mean you get back the money. And you can use that, you can buy again. This is how it works. Okay. Where DXN wants your money to go? 40% is DXN, 60% paid back to you. Okay. You see 60% paid back is very high. Maybe the new member joined, they start with 6%. Hey, they say 6%, why I got 6%, 60%? But end of the day, there is a marketing plan. This consumer work with the marketing plan. When you start to grow slowly from member, become a star agent, become a diamond to diamond bonus, become a crown ambassador, become crown diamond, your bonus is keep on increasing. That's why company always said, grow your network. When you grow your network, you're paid out 60% come back to you. Okay, maybe when you join first time, you say I got a very small, but when you enhance your network, you can see the 60% come back to you. Okay, like most of the members, when they take like diamond, they are 30%, 37% are paid out. They are direct bonus plus 15% from a development bonus plus 15% at 10% from diamond to diamond bonus. So when end up 70 something percent is paid back to the DXN when you achieve a certain role in DXN. That's why growing in DXN also growing your pocket. But how much you maintain? You just maintain 300 BV. Your maintenance are very small. By end of the day, you eat free. Okay. When you eat free, you will save lot. Okay. Then only you can become millionaire. Otherwise, you cannot become a millionaire. End of the life, we become a poor man. Poor ne. Bukan millionaire, poor ne. Okay. Okay. So we have cash discount, bonus point, travel points, profit sharing points, international bonus points, lot of things we can see here. Okay. Okay. What mean smart consumer? Okay. We change brand. Okay. Regular consumer didn't know that they are lose money, monthly expenses. Smart consumer, DXN, we have a like discount club. We have a discount card. When you buy, when you become member, you got discount card. You buy it, you will get your discount prices. And modern grocery store, DXN service center, you can buy from anywhere. Okay. You also have an immediate cash rebate. Your point can minus out from the bonuses. You buy 100 ringgit, you got 30 ringgit point. You can minus it. You just pay 70 ringgit. You just remember, when we go Mydin, every month we spend 300 ringgit, 300 ringgit, 300 ringgit. Did one of the month you go, they said, hey, you are free? They never tell that. You keep on spending the same amount every month without you get single cent again. Even though the plastic also you have to pay 20 cents. Your car, you go there, you're spending everything you are spending there. Okay. So what we can change brand? Okay. We can see every day we are drinking coffee. Every day we drinking chocolate, Milo, all this kind of thing. Every day we're drinking tea. Every day we're drinking juices. We using toothpaste, shampoo, bar soap, laundry soap, vitamins, minerals, etc., etc. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to list down what are the product that DXN have. What are the product we always buy outside. What are the product that DXN don't have, we can buy outside. But what are the product that DXN have, we convert the money, we transfer the money, we change the brand into DXN supermarket. That is called DXN supermarket. Okay. Okay. What will happening? Points will be accumulated, your cash rebates will be increased, because you must see every month when you started, you start with 306%. The moment you take 2 months, okay, first month, let's say you take 100 PV, you got 6%. The third month, you got 9%. See, your bonus increasing. But every month, your sales is same. You buy 100 ringgit, for example. You buy 100 PV, for example. The first month 100 PV you bought, you got 6%. So the next month you use the 6 ringgit, you minus out. The third month you take 100 PV, you already reach 9%. That means the bonus are increasing, the discounts are increasing. And one day you can up to 21%. That means you buy 100 ringgit, they pay you back 21 ringgit. Okay, each 100 PV you spend, you got 21 ringgit back. Nobody will give you back in this amount, and it's fixed to consumer. If you are consumer, the bonus will be go up and fixed up to 21%. Once it fixed to 25%, whole life you enjoy 21%. That means you spend 100 PV, you got 21 ringgit. You spend 200 PV, you got 42 ringgit. You spend 300 PV, you got 63 ringgit. This is immediate cashback. Next month, they will bang into you. So this won't happen in any kind of a traditional supermarkets. Okay. A smart consumer teach others how to be smart. Okay. If we have the discount card, when we can save 6 ringgit, we also can say to teach people, you also can save. So we need to convert the people into the smart consumerism. Okay. If you can get every time you go and you can buy some product, you got 21%. You are, if you're SA, you are 25%. But if you touch 31%, if you touch 300 PV, they pay you more, 25%. So that month you take 300 PV value of the product, you got 75 ringgit cashback. Who want to give? Okay, this is how it grows. But when you create your network, here you can increase your discount card. Means that you don't stop at 21, you go to 25 and keep on going up until 37%. And when your network is keep on growing, you are increasing your profit, your bonus, and you will eat free. Okay, so from you sponsor A, you sponsor B, B sponsor C, and C is a networker. He sponsors a lot of people. When he start to sponsor a lot of people, you can see a lot of people also earning money. At the same time, you also earning money. And one point of time, you are eating free. Okay, and you got enough money in cash in your cash flow. That's it, how it works. We go on. Understanding the marketing plan, how the profit has been distributed. Retail profit up to 50%. You see some product is 10 ringgit,
50%.
but up to 50%. You can see some product, the discount, that means retail profit. Selling you see box price and the member price. You have to differentiate member price. Okay, some price is like 100 ringgit, member price is only 50 ringgit. Like that. Okay, so normally everybody when become member, they enjoy the member price. Automatically they enjoy the member price, so you no need to worry about the retail. Okay, so if you go, okay, the first one, second is bonus. The payout of bonus is up to 71% and cash incentive up to 8,000 ringgit. How they give you? Okay, first is group bonus, means that the moment you join the DXN, your bonus is keep on accumulating. Start with 100 PV, then you take January, you take 100 PV, you are 6%. February, you still maintain 100 PV, you still 6%. Okay, but when you March, you take 100 PV, your accumulated PV already touched 300 PV. Automatically, your bonus will increase to 9%. And this one, not yo-yo system, never go back to zero. Okay, so we got two type of consumer. One type of consumer is I want to buy myself and I don't want to introduce to anybody. So this type of people can go up to 21% only. Okay, and sometimes if they buy 300 PV, they can go, the last limit is only 25%. They cannot go beyond that because they just buy for themselves and they not introduced to anybody else, but they enjoying up to 25% bonuses, discounts when they buy, every time when they buy product, okay, from the DXN supermarket. Okay, so the B is star group bonus. The star group bonus only apply and applicable for networkers, means that you enjoy the benefit of 25%, 21 to 25%. Okay, you say my brother also need to enjoy. You sponsor your brother. The moment you sponsor your brother also slowly grow from 6%. Slowly they grow the ladder up to 25%, and you also become a consumer. But because it touched the 21%, okay, your star group bonus, your bonus from 25 will be upgraded to 27. That's why I always say we can sponsor 6 downline under us. And when each of the downline reach the 21%, they reach the SA qualification. That means they can enjoy 25% or 21%. Okay, if they take below than 300 PV, 21%. If they take 300 PV that month, they enjoy 21%, 25%. This is different. So the moment they enjoy 25%, automatically each SA that maintain 25%, you will get 2% extra. That means that month your points will be addition up to 27 for one SA. If 2 SA maintain 300 PV, you will extend 2 plus 2, 4%. That means 25 become 29. If 3% maintain, you become 31%. If 4% every month maintain, you become 33%. If 5%, 35, and 6 people maintain under your direct line, you become 37%. That means that month they call you as a diamond and you enjoy 37% from the DXN supermarket. Okay, let's say that month you buy 300 PV. They pay you each 100 PV 37 ringgit. Means that 300 PV you got 100 and 30, 60, 90, 111 ringgit, if I'm not mistaken, around there. 111 ringgit next following month will be in your bank account. This won't happen in anywhere, in any businesses. Okay, and development bonus. On top of it, the system is keep on calculating 5 level of your first downlines. That means I sponsor my brother. My brother sponsor is A friend. The A friend sponsor B friend. The B friend sponsor C friend, and the C friend sponsor D friend. That means under me, I got my brother A, B, C, D. So I got 5 level down the point. When this 5 level also maintain the 300, 300, 300, 300, 300, okay, for me 25%, because my brother maintained the first line, one line. I'm talking about first line, one line. So when my brother maintained 25%, I will enjoy 27%, but on top of it, I will enjoy 5% of my brother, 4% from the A people, 3% from the B people, 2% from the C people, and 1% from the D people. I got another 15% of bonuses come back from that only one line. That's why when you keep on growing your line have a keep on grow. Each of the members who maintain 300 PV, you will get back the 15% called as a development bonus from each of the SA line who maintain 300%, 300 PV. Okay, this is the development bonus 15%. Okay, on top of it, you also get the moment you become diamond, when you break 6 network line, 6 XA that enjoy 25%. Okay, you make 6 people, 6 line that already become SA and they already enjoy 25%. If they already enjoy 25% every month, you become a diamond. Okay, they call it diamond because they will calculate you 37%. Okay, when they calculate you 37%, okay, they also have some terms and condition. When 6% people maintain 300 PV and your total group PV is more than 2,500, you are called qualified diamond. The moment you have been called qualified diamond, your international profit sharing will be increased 2%. Okay, that means this is the profit sharing given by the company. Okay, from which are the country all over the world, we got 180 country plus. Which are the country that has make profit, from that profit, they take 2% and they divide it to all the diamond in the world. That's why we call DXN one world, one market. Means that for me, I got a bonus from 40 over country, international profit sharing. I didn't have a group in Mexico, but I got a percentage from Mexico. I don't have group in Europe, but I got a profit sharing from Europe. So in now almost 40 country already make profit. So when they make profit, you are given a 2% sharing of their profit sharing. Profit sharing means only director will get the money. If you are one of the company director, you will enjoy the profit sharing. If just an employee, none of the company will pay you profit sharing. None of the single company will give. Even though if you are director also, you won't get this lah. Okay, unless the company really make big money, then only the director will be paid. Otherwise, most of the company never pay the profit sharing. So you must understand, only DXN in this world giving a profit sharing to the diamond. I think Selena, Pavisha, everybody already enjoyed that. And they all very smile already. Whoever become a diamond, they will automatically enjoy the 2% profit sharing, international profit sharing every month. Okay, you see, every month. That is the goodness of DXN, giving you every month and you enjoying that. You don't have group in this other world, in other country, but you get it from the company. So good DXN pay you. Okay, and next part, leadership bonus 15%. Okay, leadership bonus 15%. This is the bonus. It's a diamond to diamond bonuses. They will calculate accordingly and they pay you. Okay, and we have a travel seminar incentive 2% and one-time cash handphone intensive. That means when you become a what do you call star agent, 25%. When you become enjoy 25%, they call it star agent. Okay, but when you manage to create 3 downline, 3 people under you, maybe your brother, your sister, your mother is your 3 downline, you put a separate line. Okay, when these 3 people achieve 25%, 25% and 25%, okay, you are called star ruby. Okay, because you already make 3% achieve the qualified SA. when they achieve a qualified SA, 3 people qualified SA, you will get a one-time cash incentive 1050. Okay, this how they calculate. That also have a small terms. They also have a small terms. What is the terms? Each of the line must accumulated 6000 PV. 4000 PV they already become a SA. But when this PV is accumulated, become 6000 first line, 6000 second line, 6000 third line. Okay, they will achieve a 1050 ringgit, no time limit. That is the goodness of DXN. No time limit.
Doc, excuse
Yes.
me, Doc. This is the right line under you, and not your second generation, correct?
Yeah, automatically you will get, because this one is the one, it can be second line help the first line. When the moment the first line accumulated 6000. Okay, accumulated 6000. It doesn't matter. It's not your ground line, because when you have your direct line, if the first line not active also, the second line, third line will help the first line. Means that the 1050 ringgit doesn't matter. Each line accumulated 6000, automatically you will get. Okay, that is the terms. Okay, so anytime you have 3 lines, each 3 lines already achieve 6000, 6000, 6000, you will get one time payment 1050. The second one is the one time overseas trip cash incentive. Let's say like me, I already recruit A, B, C. Okay, when A, B, C touch 6000, 6000, 6000, I break and I get one time cash incentive 1050. Okay, now how I want to get 7000 ringgit. Okay, so now A also have to do the same thing to get 1050. B also have to do the same thing to get 1050. My direct first line. The H overseas one time overseas trip cash incentive, they got terms only applicable for the first downline. Okay, that achieve one time cash incentive 1050. That means I need to have 5 downline that already achieve 1050 cash incentive. That means each downline already get this bonus. A already get the bonus, B already achieved the 1050, C already achieved the 1050, D already achieved the 1050, and E already achieved the 1050. Now 5 people already completed, and we already make the 5 people, everybody enjoy the cash intensive. You will be paid one time trip cash incentive 7000 ringgit. Okay, I think you understand this. Okay, so we go on. Okay, the DXN marketing plan, features and benefit. So you see, one-time membership in any country can enjoy the international bonus from registered country. Okay, must understand that. One world, one market. You can register anybody online in this world. Anybody online in this world. Recently, Africa market, India market already open online. So you have African market members from sitting down in Kuching, you can sign up a member in Nigeria because online already open. And you can ask them to go and buy the product in Nigeria HQ, stockist. That is the best. You can sit down and operate from your place. That is how the network is making. You can share the video, you can share the document. Recently, I already come out with the international papers, submit and accepted and published. That is your evidence. If they take too much, you send the black paper, ask them to read. Now you take the product and eat. Simple. Okay, the paper will talk. That's why evidence is very, very important. Okay, so you can do that. But you must understand one thing. You sitting down, you are Malaysian. To enjoy when you are diamond, your maintenance is 300 PV. Remember that. Maintenance are 300 PV when you become diamond. Okay. So when you maintain 300 PV, you cannot take 100 PV in Australia and 200 PV in Malaysia. you not qualified 300 PV ready. You must take 300 PV in a single country. They mean you in a home country. You are in home country, Malaysia, you take 300 PV Malaysia. Enough. You are qualified ready for the everything, international profit sharing, everything you are qualified. Okay, remember that. Don't make a mistake. Sometimes you grow until certain level. You say this month I need to maintain 300 PV, but you take 100 PV in India, 200 PV in Malaysia. You are not qualified. Okay, so remember that. That is in the future. Okay, so 9 type of benefit. We have retail profit, 4 type of bonuses, 2 lifetime rewards, and 2 incentive. We have 24 ranks of promotion, distributor to crown ambassador. Okay, distributor to crown ambassador. Everybody asks, why 24 rank? Yeah, you become a member is 1 rank, ma. After that, you become a ruby, another rank. After that, you become a pearl. Last time they got a pearl. Now no pearl. Okay, okay, straight away diamond. Then you become diamond. Then complete your crown ambassador. So they got 24 promotion. Reward with every promotion. Every year you have been accredited. Okay, with your reward and promotions. Okay, so we go on. Okay, we see DXN marketing plan. Okay, better rewards for width and depth expansion. When you become a diamond, you must remember one thing. You cannot depend on one single line. You must maximize your line. You must remember that. You must maximize your width, maximize your depth. The more maximize of width and more maximize on depth, your income will increase. Okay, understand? That means you must have your direct sponsor lot, and also have to help the downline to create more members. So you have to create width and depth. Okay, and you enjoy the international profit sharing opportunity to earn from other countries without your network presence. Okay, travel incentive, 2 types of travel incentive every year to ensure recreations and business. That means every year from your sales of group, you will accumulated some points. They call ITSI points, they call NTSI points. International and local. We have 2 years one, we have international. Every year we have a local travel seminar. So when we qualified, company will give you all the free trip to whichever country they provided. Dynamic compression. We'll get the reward from Acne partner irrespectively of generation. So we have a dynamic compression. Let's say just now I told you, you gave a 5 level of bonuses. Okay, let's say you have your brother sponsor A, your brother, the A sponsor B, B sponsor C, C sponsor D, and D sponsor E. Let's say in one of the day, the A is nowhere, suddenly missing from the business. But the E will be compressed in, become your 5 generation. Okay, that is called dynamic compression. In any range of the timeline, you won't lost your 5 generation. Okay, if one of the generation in a single line lost in the middle, the below line become upper line, will go up. They call it a compression systems. Okay, this is the win-win solution, is giving to everybody to create a success value. Okay, so the next advantages of Dixon. Okay, lifetime membership. Okay, we give lifetime membership, minimum 1 purchase a year. You must remember, last time is open. When I joined, it's open. One time you join, every year you automatically whole life. But after a year, we can see a lot of people become blank. They are not active. Then company decided, company decided that, okay, in that case, we will put in 1 year time frame. If you take minimum 1 ZMIN, means that your automatic renewal will be activated. Okay, so that is the concept, that is the terms and condition company bring it to make sure your membership is active. Please remember, from January to December 31st, you must purchase any single product to make sure your next year automated renewal. Remember that. Okay. We are going one world, one market concept, international sponsoring. Means that you sitting down anywhere, you can sponsor anybody in this world. Okay. And we have accumulated point system. This is not a yo-yo system. You see a lot of company giving a yo-yo system. This month you put your effort, you maintain up to 21. Next month go back to 0. But this is not a yo-yo. When you achieve your 21, automatically you fixed in the 21. After that, there is a base on how you maintain your diamonds and your network. Okay, no demotion of status. That means no downgraded of status. No time limit to achieve your every month. What do you call your your one-time cash. Okay, there's no time limit. Anytime in your time frame you can get it, and no risk at all. Is 100% pressure free. What you do, you introduce the people with the good thing. You see, with the good product. Okay, all our product already certified with so many certification. That means international certification. Okay, what are the international certification? One is approved by the Kementerian Kesihatan Malaysia. Second is approved by Organic Department, Organic Endorsement. Third, we have been endorsed by international standard ISO 14001. ISO 14001 is more powerful than organic endorsement. We also have a GMP, good manufacturing product. Means that our procedures, our factory, our lab, everybody follow the TARA system. Okay, and we have ISO 9001 and so on. And our product is registered under DSHEA in US. Means that Dietary Supplement and Health Education Act, okay, in 1994 by US Congress. Means that our product, when the product is botanically grown, okay, when any nature that botanically grown by monitoring, okay, not in the forest grown, by monitoring grown, means that we monitor the water, we monitor the fertilization, we monitor the farming without any chemical and without any disturbance from any source of chemicalization. Okay, and this product as minimum, okay, fruit or vegetable as minimum 1 vitamin, 1 mineral, 1 amino acid, and another one is forgot already lah. Okay, so this concept will be registered under DSHEA. Okay, it's not under the FDA. All our product is registered under DSHEA, not FDA. In US, they got two different kinds of FDA and DSHEA. If organically produced, organically farming, organically based without a significant effect, okay, we will the US will put under the DSHEA. If your lab modified, lab edited, ethanol methanol extraction, lab modification, pharmacologist affected, then it goes under the FDA. Okay, now you can see lot of markets in the product, they say organic but endorsed by FDA. Is it organic? No, it's a synthetic compound is been added into it. Okay, so come back to your marketing plan. You must understand what is PV. PV is actually point value. That means every product you buy, there is a PV. So your maintenance part, you need to maintain your PV. Okay, PV is your maintenance part. Okay, now what is SV? SV is a sales value. Sales value has been used for calculation of bonus and incentive. Okay, so most of the time you see price, when the price increment has been done, when the price increment done, your PV never changed, but your SV has been upgraded. Means that even though your price we may adjust it, maybe 10 ringgit, become 10 ringgit 10 cent. Let's say we take a GL for example, the GL maybe 30 ringgit. Okay, there is a price increment happen. So the from 30 ringgit, company has increased the price to 32 ringgit. There's a 2 ringgit value increase. The PV of the product never change, but the SV will increase. Why? To accommodate the bonus to the members, so you don't lose anything. This is how Dr. Lim practices. That means we no need to worry, hey, 30 ringgit, why so expensive? But you must remember, the SV is increased. You take 100 PV, the SV is 112 PV, 112 SV or 115 SV. So this is how they calculate it. So your bonus, you maintain 100 PV. Your bonus will calculate it based on 110 SV. So your 100 ringgit, 6%, for example, if you're in 6%, you get maybe 6 ringgit 50 cent or 7 ringgit, not 6 ringgit. Okay, this is how they calculate it. Okay, personal point value means that personal cash bills transaction in a month. Okay, personal PV. Okay, your group, your personal, how much you bought in your PV, personal PV. And you see personal group point value. Personal group, your personal group non-SA will come into the personal group PV. Personal group sales value, that is PGSV, yeah, same thing. Okay, diamond group DGPV. DGPV mean your group with the diamond together, with the whole team together with the diamond group, everything, and they have a DGSV. Qualified star agent, when the SA maintain 300 PV, they become a qualified SA. They enjoy 25% bonus. And qualified star diamond is 300 PV with qualified diamond minimum for SA with 2,500 PV or 300 PV with 5,000 group PV. They are qualified diamond. This is how the terms and conditions has been prescribed in the DXN. Okay, this is all the condition of your status. And you can see Cheryl last year become a diamond, so she's in that diamond area here. Okay, so when she break a 1 diamond under her, she will be promoted until ESD. Okay, so this is how you have been grown. So we are grooming you to grow up slowly. At the same time, your pocket also grooming. Okay, grooming, yeah, pocket are grooming, you know. Okay, we go on and end up the last position is CA. So I finished already lah. So nobody will call me and promote me anymore already lah. Okay, so you all still got the chances to grow. Okay, once you end up with the CA, you have a separate privilege in this world. You must understand, in this world, we have around 30 over CAs. And we want everybody to grow and everybody enjoy the benefit of the DXN. Okay, we go on. Income number 1 on direct sales, for example, why we call up to 50% on distributed price. For example, DXN Spirulina 120. The customer price is 67.50 that printed in the bottle. Okay, all the customer price is printed in the bottle. Let's say your friend asks, hey, can I have a bread? Then you said, hey, become member lah. You said, no lah. Oh, in that case, I sell you 67 ringgit lah. You can demand a bit lah. So you buy 45 ringgit, you sell 67 ringgit. This is called a direct sales benefit. Okay, profit, retail profit. Okay, so your retail profit by selling one small spirulina is 22.50. But I never do this all the while. I make them a free member. This is best. Making a free member is 10 times better than you sell. You make them sell them with the retail profit. Okay, so make them thing. Okay, the good thing of a online membership. Online membership will enjoy everything as a normal membership. They also have the bonus, and you also pay this bonus. Okay, but the online members cannot take the money from the e-wallet. Okay, they can see the money, they cannot take it out. For them to take it out, they need to pay 64 ringgit, purchase the kit, then the e-wallet will be opened. They mean the money is in the bank, they don't give you the key. Okay, but you can do your business. You can sponsor people, you can do the business, you can see the money accumulated. When the money until certain time got big ready, then you can pay 64 ringgit and take out lah. Okay, because a lot of people think, why I want to pay 64 ringgit? I want to do the business. Okay, you want to see the money, you become member. Connect your network. Ask them to get the product. Enjoy the benefit. Okay, the e-wallet will be filled up with the money every month bonused. You can go inside and see. You cannot enjoy it because it's locked. Then you go to the Miss Lee, Kuching HQ. He said, Miss Lee, I'm a online member. Now I want to activate my key. So you pay 64 ringgit, you redeem the kit. She will activate to the system. Now you can take all your money from the bank. It's like a fixed deposit. Online membership, the money become like fixed deposit. You cannot take simply until you activate it. You understand now? I think you understand clearly on this online membership. Okay, now we go on. Okay, month 1, you do 100 PV. Your A maintain 100 PV. Now, you 100, your A 100. Total is 200 PV. Sorry, month 1. Okay, month 1. Okay, confused already. Okay, I do the pencil. Senang. Okay, in month 1, you can see you maintain 100 PV. Okay, so you will get how much? You will get 6%. You see, 6%. So the following month, because of 100 PV, you got 6 ringgit back. Actually, the bonus is paid with SV, more, but we just say SV and PV just equivalent for easy calculation. Okay, so we put 1 SV, 1 PV like that. Actually, it's more. SV, you got more bonus, not PV bonus. Okay, so when you first month you take 100 PV, you will calculate a 6%. Your bonus is how much you got? You will got 6 ringgit, not dollar sign, it's a ringgit sign. Okay, okay, you got 6 ringgit. Okay, my 6 is ringgit scale. Okay, so when come to next month, so you go to your supermarket, you buy your toothpaste, you buy your coffee, you buy everything. Okay, now you have 100 PV. Again, you don't sponsor anybody yet. Now, your accumulated PV is 200. Okay, but how much bonus you still get? Because you never touched the 300. Okay, you never touched the 9%. You still paid with 6 ringgit also. No changes. But when come to the month 3, okay, month 3, okay, when come to the month 3, so you take 100 PV also. Now your accumulated already touched 300 PV. Correct or not? So when you touch 300 PV, now your bonus is calculated, okay, based on 9%. This following month, you have been paid 9 ringgit for your 100 PV. They will calculate that month PV to calculate bonus, but your accumulated PV to put you which ladder you are. Okay, so slowly you will grow up the ladder. And one day you can reach 4,500 accumulated. 45 months you take 100 PV, you are SA. Very simple. Everybody in the world can become SA. Okay, because every month you go to supermarket buy product. Every month you change it. DXN supermarket you buy product. Finish. You buy toothpaste, you buy DXN toothpaste. You buy coffee, you buy DXN Lindsay coffee. Because all the product that you buy in DXN supermarket is endorsed, organic and natural. But whatever you go and buy outside is fully chemical based. So we are buying with so much money, buying the chemical product and we get sick. Instead of that, we can spend the same amount of money, buy the good product and we become better and healthy and our pocket and wealthy also. Okay, so we go on. Yeah, I have to delete. Yeah, otherwise, okay, delete first. Okay. Okay, we go on. Okay, now part 2. Okay, so when you see every month you got money, you also think, why I can't introduce my family members? Normally, when we start doing business, we will see the family members is our first lines. So you can inform your brothers, sisters, all your family members, because DXN is a family business. From there, keep on growing. Normally, if you take any members in this world, their family members is their first lines. Then after that, like me, my mother is member, my sister is member, my brother is member, Malika's brother is member, Malika's sister's member. This is first we can see because they are direct close to us. Second, we go out. Once all these people are filled up, no more people, then we go out. Okay, so let's say, okay, I think somebody have to close the mic, some sound coming in. Okay, so when you come to the next part, now you said every month I'm taking a loan. Why can't I improve my sales and I introduce to people so I can enjoy more? Because you already saturated in 21 to 25%. You cannot grow again. So you want to grow more to 37%, you must start your networking. Here comes the network. You become from customer, now become a networker. How you do this? Okay, you keep on sponsoring people. When you start to sponsoring a people, let's say A will sponsor A1, A2, A3. You go B, sponsor B. B start to sponsor B, B2, B3. Okay, so you maintain your SA, you maintain 300 PV, or you maintain, normally I will say, if you're qualified SA, once you become SA, best you maintain 300 PV, safe side. Okay, then the 300 PV is the only maintenance up to your crown ambassador level. You think I'm maintaining 10,000, 20,000? No, I also maintain every month. On the first day, I just put 300 PV, finished. My job is finished. Okay, then I help everybody to grow the sales. And I don't need to worry. Lot of company, their maintenance are very high, 10,000, 20,000 PV, 30,000 PV. In DXN, 300 PV, you override the world. Okay, so it grows. So you see, A is growing when they think A already achieved 15%, means that you see how it goes, 6%, 9%, 12%, 15%, 18%, 21%. Okay, you grow like that. Okay, so how it grows from the PV achievement. So when the A percent is 15% and the B percent is 6%, the overriding bonus you will get 21, you are 21% because you already achieved the SA. These two guys, A and B, not yet SA yet, but they are coming into SA. They will grow to SA. Okay, so when you are 21, this group bring 15%. So you got 6% overriding from A to U. Okay, from A to U. 6% from A to U. This is the overriding. Okay, how much? 6%. Okay, so but here, when you see here, B is 6%, you are 21%. But when you maintain, you see here, they put under, because you don't maintain. But if you maintain 300 PV, you are upgraded to 25%. When it's upgraded to 25%, okay, you will enjoy 6 minus 25. That means you enjoy 19% overriding. Here, no more 15. When you maintain SA, no more 15. 15 minus 25, you enjoy 10% of overriding here. You see how much is the overriding? That's why I always say recruit more, sponsor more people, teach them how the business works. By sitting down in the home, by changing the product, you can enjoy a big income. Everything will start slow. If any company come back to you, say 1 month you can become, you can earn 10,000, 20,000, next year 3 months, that is all a scam. There is no company in this world will come out like that. If I'm out like that, why I want to sharing to you? I will do that business. The scam people always go and catch people and cheat people doing a lot of things, spending so much money. When they come and ask you to invest 3,000, 10,000, 15,000, and they said your income will be double up, 30 up, that is actually they want to run away with your money. Okay, that's not a true business. Legitimate business will start slow, but slowly will grow, become bigger. It takes time. That is the legitimate business. Okay, so we go on. Okay, so this is how your things distributor. You have first generation distribution, second distribution, the third distribution become SA. Automatically you become SA also. You must remember that. One person become SA, everybody become SA. Because accumulated PV system means that this month you join as a member. Then you say, okay, I buy 200 PV for my household product, all my coffee, everything. I change my product. Total product I bought is 200 PV. Then you sponsor A, you sponsor B. Then this A is very smart. You go and sponsor. The total of his PV is 4,000 plus, 4,300, and you have 200. Automatically, the same month you become SA ready. Okay, so means it's easy. This is, you know, how Nepal doing business. They have a 10 line under them because they're staying in a dorm. So one guy become member. You know what happened? He make the A, B, C, D, E all member. Okay. Then what he did to become instant 25% member, to become immediately SA, they collect all the money. They go to the last people. They go to the last people here. Okay, here. Last people here, they buy all the purchase here on this PV, 4,500. Immediately, everybody become SA. And the next month, they enjoy 21%. You see how smart they are? Okay. And this guy, he will distribute the bonus that month. He will give back everybody a little bit of money. And following month, they will buy, everybody will purchase themselves. You see how good is the system? Okay. Nepal make use of that, you know. They put all the members under one line. They collect all the money. Then you go to the last line. They buy under his name. Automatically, one day, immediately everybody become 21%. Become SA. And the following month, everybody will start to enjoy 21%. They don't need to climb the ladder 6, 9, 12. You see how smart? Very smart fellas. Okay. Okay, we go on. Okay, star group bonus, 25% to 37%. This is what I tell you when you moment one, because you see, everyone you sponsor in this field will become SA. Where you like it or not like it, they become SA. Because the system is open to everyone. The moment they purchase 100 PV for themselves, 45 months, they become SA. They enjoy 21% bonus. Okay, if they maintain 300 PV, they will enjoy 25%. More than that, it depends on the networks. Okay. So star diamond, when you have a 6 downline, 6 SA you created, SA1 up to C. See, just now you already created 3 when you Ruby. The same thing, you create another 3 line, and all these people become SA. You like it or not like it, they become SA1. Unless they buy the product, automatically they become SA. Only the time frame. If they buy lot, they become very fast. If they buy 100 PV every month, 45 months you have to wait for him to become a SA. Unless they have a group, very fast they become SA. So you need 6 line to maintain SA, and you will enjoy 37% of a bonus if you are diamond. Okay, if you become a diamond, but when you convert everyone, because when you become diamond, you convert all your downline become diamond. The more you make diamond, the more your position also go up. That means you make somebody grow in your downline, you will grow. See, this network marketing plan is not a killing business. You must understand one thing. The more your downline make money, you will make money. Okay. The more they release from their freedom, the more you will release the freedom. So help them out. Go down to the field, help them out. Make them, let them happy with their business. Let them make the money. When they see the money, they happy. When they are happy, you also happy. Okay? The system work. Nobody's money is grabbed and giving to you. No. The system is paid such thing. Crown ambassador, you have 20 line. Okay, when you have 20 line, you become crown ambassador. Okay, and development bonus, you can see all the 5 line. First line, second line, 3 line, third line, fourth line, fifth line. So the first line 5%, second line 4, 3, 2, 1. This is all your SA bonuses. So after they pay you overriding, they still calculate 5 level from each line. Let's say you have 20 lines. If you calculate 5 lines for 20 lines, you calculate how much your bonuses will be accumulated. So let's say always you see, you only have 1 downline. But when you come to the second, but the 1 downline might be sponsored 100 second downline. Correct or not? Okay, the 100 second line downline can sponsor almost 1000 third downline. So when come to line, you will calculate the first person by person. The first person downline 5%. But when come to the second line, this first line might be sponsored 10 lines. So you will get 4% from each of the lines. That means 10 of the first down lines, everybody you got 4%, 4%, 4%, 4%, 4%. But one of the 4%, let's say he was in the US, you will be paid in a US dollar, convert back. So they will calculate by each country, the conversion, then they pay you. So 5 level, you don't miss. That is called raindrop, because when it go down and down and down, your network will go very massively. Big network will be created. Okay. And leadership bonus, this is the diamond to diamond bonus. When diamond to diamond bonus, you will calculate it. First level, when you become diamond, you don't have diamond. Okay, company will see first level bonus, company will pay you overriding. The overriding means you are diamond 37%, you sponsor somebody, the 6%, you are overriding 31%. Okay, but when you become SA, you will have SA to SA 5 level bonus. But when you become diamond and you create a new diamond, you start a third level bonus, they call leadership bonus. Okay, this is the biggest money in MLM, in DXN, that create a millionaires. Means if you create 100 diamond under you, you get all over the network, you will get all the bonus from these 100 networks. Unstoppable. SA to SA 5 lines, but diamond to diamond unlimited. To the next crown. Means that if I'm a crown, somebody want to block my line, they must become a crown. You understand? If you are double diamond, okay, you will enjoy all your diamond. If somebody on your network become double diamond, your line is blocked. To enjoy the bonus, you need to create another diamond. So you must have 5 diamond. Double diamond means 4 diamond. Let's say I got 4 diamonds under me. Cheryl is under me, got 3 diamonds. I still can enjoy the bonus. But when Cheryl have 4 diamonds, it's the same value. I have been blocked. You cannot enjoy the bonus. To get the bonus of Cheryl 4 diamond, I need to create a new 5th diamond. Then I overriding. That means you need to grow. Means that everybody in the network will grow slowly, become and achieve 1 level. Okay. Leadership bonus 5% from the first level, 0 to 10% from the second level diamond until full depth. Means that unlimited diamond. That means I can enjoy my 1000 lines diamond. You understand not? If my network grow big and this line go to 17, currently my network is already 28, touch the 20th generation ready. So if 20th generation become diamond, I still enjoy. But the 20th generation become crown ambassador, there is a block. This is how the system works. But it's very powerful. That's why people are enjoying. Why? Worldwide bonuses. Why? Because once they do the business, they create a lot of diamonds in this world. and they got every diamond in this world. They got, because unlimited, unless somebody blocked them. Otherwise, the journey continue 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, it never stop. It's unlimited. Okay. And under the second one, the travel seminar incentive plan. This is all TSI point. It's a very straight, complicated point. You can see from your eWorld. Every time when you buy PV, you will calculate it from first level 50%, second level 40%, third level 30%, fourth level 20%, and 10%. This is actually points value. This point value to see you are accumulated for your travel seminar. Okay, this is your end fund incentive. Means that when 3 essay formed and each essay touch 6,000 PV, accumulated group PV. Okay, 3 people accumulate, you get 1,050. And when 5 of your direct downline achieve the 1,050, okay, achieve the 1,050, you will get one-time cash incentive 7,000. Okay. Then you have a marketing plan. This is a star group bonus incentive, everything. Okay, this is the compression level. Okay, straightforward. Motivating factors. I think all these things you know about it. Financial independence, better quality of life, quality spare time, personal development, leave legacy, healthy value relationship, system driven success true. See, all this system is make you motivate and to become a leader in the network, because DXN now already produce more than other company millionaires. There are a lot of companies are talking about they're creating 1 or 2 millionaires, but we already have more than 50 to 100 millionaires in DXN ready. Okay, see you at the top. Thank you. Now we open for the question.
Questions, anyone?
Hope everybody understand. Can I call name? Cheryl, how is it?
No.
Huh?
Why got anjing?
See, the dog also want to know the marketing plan, you know.
Yeah, any translation? What does the dog want?
Okay, so any questions you can ask about the marketing plan? I will explain it out.
Just now you were mentioning about in Nepal, whereby there were like a group of them, they register under each other, and then let's say the fifth person, they all of them they could, so basically all of them they have actually zero, they haven't bought anything, so they could put all their money and then they bought it from like the last person, the fifth person.
Yes.
And once he has gotten the star agent, that one, all of them also dapat.
Correct. No, all of them never get the bonus. Only the person who bought the thing bonus. But status is upgraded.
Status saja lah. But the next round.
Next round they already 21% ready one. They already essay ready one. Qualified ready one. You see, for example, A person. Why this color? I put maybe a black color. Okay. You see, the A. So A sponsor B. B sponsor C. C sponsor D. D sponsor E. Okay. So what they do, they collect all the money from these people. Okay. Okay. Everybody paid to this guy. Okay. Because they want the status. The status, you see, there's a ranking going up, correct or not?
Yeah.
Okay. So when your accumulated PV can touch 4,500, okay, you are SA. SA, you will enjoy 21%, correct or not?
Yeah.
Okay. So what they do, they collect all the money, they go and buy under this guy name. So he will put 4,500 PV here. And he automatically become SA. But because this is a compression system, automatically this guy become SA. This guy become SA, this guy become SA, this guy become SA. So they already achieved 21% at the first month. Okay, the following month, they will buy themselves. They don't need to climb the ladder. No, you see how smart they are? Okay, that's why you can see thousands of SA suddenly boom up. No, Okay, when we go and talk to them, they will tell the strategy. I also learned from him. This is actually applicable for them lah. It's not easy for us also. But that's why if you want to make your friend, if you're one group of member in your office, let's say you have 10 of them, all they want to become proud. You make everybody a member under you, A to B, B to C, all member. Then you collect all the money. You go and buy at the last person that under the last person here. Okay, automatically everybody become SA. The following month, everybody enjoy 21%. This is trick lah. This is trick lah. Okay, but if you want to buy, like slowly go down the hill, 100 PV, 100 PV, 100 PV, also can. But if you want to create your network, you break the network, like you create, you break a lot of people. You just keep on sponsoring in 1 month. If all these things can achieve 4,500, you also become SA also. Same thing also. Okay, this is not considered cheating. This is a trick. How you become instant type. So and after that, you see this guy has been paid 25% because it's more than 500 PV. Correct or not? More than 300 PV maintained. So you will get, let's say 4,500. So we calculate by PV 4,500. Okay, put the text. So what do you get? 4,500 PV. We get 1 PV, 1 SV like we put. So times 25% lah. You calculate how much? How much we got? 1,000 is 250 ringgit. 2,000 500. So you got 1,150 ringgit. So the equivalent to you got 1,150. If I'm not mistaken, correct ah, Cheryl?
Okay. 1125, I think.
Lebih kurang lah 1125 lah.
Minus
Very
lah.
good lah. Okay, lebih kurang lah. And they distribute all the money each other. You know how trick they are. Okay, that's for the first month because they want to achieve the SA status. So the following month everybody will take for them lah. Then everybody will enjoy 25% immediate effect. You understand not? Immediate effect. This is some of the trick. But you cannot do this for diamond lah, mati lah you. Because diamond you six leg, you have to maintain all this thing different. But this is applicable for their members, all these things you can teach them lah. If they stay in group, let's say you go and see some people are staying in a dorm. Yeah, you can suggest this trick to them. Everybody buy them a toothpaste, soap, all this. You see, until now, Nepal guys are very smart. You know, they are very less buying RGGL and supplements. You know what they buy? Because every month they need to buy a toothpaste. Every month they need to shower. Every day they have, not every month, every day they have to shower. So soap, shampoo, all this teeth cream, the Zimico, the toothbrush, all the household product. We have actually household product. Okay, our household product. I show you. So normally nobody talk about household product, but actually this one is actually good for you to maintain some PV, and you can change your what do you call change the product, change product. Okay, you see DXN. Yeah, DXN household. Okay, you see, we have lot range of products. Okay, we have lot range of products. This is our DynaClean, Z-Min, Pine Clean. Okay, we have lot range of the products. So you can use this Veggie Clean to wash your vegetable before you cook. Okay, it's a naturally designed. It will remove some of the toxin from the things. So these are the things that like shampoo, toothpaste, all these things are daily usable products. You can use this for your utilization. So you maintain. So you want or don't want, you still have to go to the supermarket, buy everything. Correct or not? You have no choice. Otherwise, how you want to wash your clothes? How you want to shower? So you convert this. This is the shopping that you can convert for your household product. And same thing, you have other products, supplements, juices, coffee. Okay. So these are the items that you think about also. Okay, all the coffee to everybody, every day you're going to buy all these things. You're going to drink all the Milo. Instead of using a Milo high sugar, you buy the Cocozip, almost the same price. So you convert, you change. This will give you a better product, a quality product with the healthy products. Okay, this is how it works. Where it goes, huh? Where's my slides? Ayo, mana? Okay, here, okay. So that is how it works. So you need to maintain like that. Okay, clear, Cheryl? Good. Okay. Anyone else question? Rita? Confused? Okay.
Okay, fully understood.
Okay.
Actually, Anthony has worked that out. The way you did it, he was studying the marketing plan, so it was good. So a lot easier.
I will share the marketing plan to the group. These slides to the group. Later you can see. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Anybody else? Any questions?
Danielle, you better ask questions, Danielle, because you always ask me. And then you ask me whether to ask Sharon or ask Auntie Evelyn. You better ask now.
Daniel?
It's quite clear already after you have explained. We'll just wait for the PowerPoint.
Okay, good. Good.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, Selena?
What do you want to do?
If no any questions, we can wind up the session.
Audrey Low want to say something.
Audrey Low would like to say something.
Audrey?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah, I want to ask. Just now you were saying that if let's say other people from other parts of the world want to buy DXN product from you like that. Let's say just now you mentioned Nigeria. Was it Nigeria?
Yeah. Anything,
then,
any country also can.
Okay lah. And then after that, if let's say they want to buy it from you, then you said they can just go to DXN to buy it.
Yeah, okay. First of it, okay, very simple. Let's say you know the guy. The guy stay in Nigeria. Okay, so you can call them, you can WhatsApp them, you can chat with him. Then you can say, this is the good system. You can implement it. Then they will say how much all these things. He said, okay, I can make you as a member online. It's free. Okay, you see the thing, you go and enjoy the product first. If you feel okay, then you pay a certain amount to activate your key with the nearest stockist. Because when they want to get the product, they will go to the nearest stockist one. Like for example, Nigeria stockist. Okay, so when they go and get the product, they will enjoy it. They feel better, then they can sign up for, they activate. You see why I want you to put a online membership first. So when you put online membership, that means that person you already locked. Otherwise, somebody else will sign up him. Okay, so that's why you must make sure you lock them, because the passport number, the IC number, when you online sign up, nobody can sign up him again. Automatically it goes under you. So you save you must protect your downline. Otherwise, somebody else, let's say you said you go to Nigeria office. So you go to Nigeria office, somebody there will brainwash him, you already put is under his member. Then you rugi lah. You understand that? That's why. That's why nowadays DXN are growing gila-gila, you know. Anybody can wall up your downline ready, you know, I tell you. So you must be very careful. You must make sure you protect your things, because you will become a mentor for this guy. You have to train them. Okay?
Okay.
Clear?
What if that person say he just want to try out the?
Okay, doesn't matter, because it's free, ma. You can say, okay, you can say you want to try out. Okay, I will register you free registration. When people say free registration, they don't care, ma. Correct or not? If anybody will ask anything when you say, okay, free registration, because you can tell you only can enjoy the product when you become member. I can make you as a free member, and I give you a code. You can use the code and buy the product free. Not free, buy the product, not free, buy the product. But you can use your code. When you use your code, you will have a discounted price. You tell them nicely. You tell them nicely, say, okay, you want to enjoy the product. Okay, you can become a member later, paid member, doesn't matter. But I can make you as an online member. It's a free to make you to get all the discount when you buy the product. When you bring that key number to them, to the company, they can key in the number, you can get discounted prices. Otherwise, the price of the product will be 30% more. So don't waste money. If you're really good, then you can activate the pin and you can enjoy the bonuses. You explain to them like that. Then sure, he will give you the data. Then you can sign up. Then capture WhatsApp and send him all the ID lah. Okay.
Okay.
Good.
You.
Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
Yes, thank you for the presentation, Doc. The Nepalese formula definitely is not sustainable.
No sustainable.
First of all, they didn't really know the wonders of the product.
Correct.
And to cut the story short, they are suffering. Now they are leaving Malaysia. They cannot bring their money back. They are zero when they are back into the country.
Correct.
So the money is stuck in Malaysia. So having said that, the system that we are doing now, following your mentoring and your advising us along the way, is the correct methodology, yeah, Doc?
Yes, true. Follow the right way. We can be slowly grow, but we grow in a stable platform. Okay, sometimes we go up, but end of the day, a lot of people missing. Don't. You are earning little bit in the first phase, but don't worry. The small rain become flood one day. Okay, the small rain drops become a flood. That time you don't know what to do ready. Flood ready, ma. Your money become flood ready. What do you have to do? So these are the things. Okay.
Audrey, you have questions, Audrey?
No. Which Audrey?
Audrey, you.
Two Audrey here, quite confused. Hi, Audrey.
Yeah.
Audrey Liu.
I've already typed my question on the chat.
Is it? I didn't. Let me see the chat box. Okay. Oh God. Okay. Let me see the chat box. What are the questions here? You can see the questions here. My friend daughter about allergic to nuts and PDG6. What is it? BDG6? What is that? And they can they?
That's the G6PD enzyme.
Oh,
They don't
G6PD. You put. That's why I confused.
It's
Okay.
G6PD enzyme.
See, all this G6PD enzyme, all these thing, intolerance, this, intolerance that, this is all actually, don't worry. Okay, you can give them spirulina, RGGL, RGGL, spirulina, Roselle. How old is he? How old is the baby?
Not baby. One of them is about 7. The other one is about 5.
Give them the RGGL. Okay, then everything go back to normal. Okay, I have treated G6PD with one of the born kit recently, very recent. Today also I communicate to his mother. Now the baby, she was very worried. The moment the baby born, the doctor said she has a GSPD intolerance. That means she cannot take some milk lah, this lah, that lah, allergic lah, all these things. And I told her, you don't worry about this. Until now, modern medical system don't have anything to remove the toxin. They can increase the toxin, but they don't have anything to remove the toxin. Then I told the baby, the mother, because just born 6 days, near to 1 month lah, born near to 1 month, they found this thing, and the doctor concluded G6PD. Then I start asking her to give 1 RG 1 GL daily. Okay, and now the baby is already 3 months, everything go back to normal. And the doctor that bring her to check up, they see, they do the blood test, they find everything fine. Okay, so no more allergic anything, so she can take anything. So then I told her, give our spirulina cereal ready. 1 month, 2 months ready now. She already started with the spirulina cereal, RG, GL. Okay, started ready. After 3 months, after 4 months, 5 months, we can start to give Roselle, all these kind of things ready. Okay, nothing to worry. You can give immediately to the kids. Then slowly these things will disappear. Okay, the dosage of 12 years, 7 years, 5 years, you can see. You see, until now, RGGL don't have dosage. You need to know about the description. Nothing to worry about the prescription. You can give any amount that you can able to buy and give. Okay, if you want to give 5 years kid with 5 RG, 5 GL, 3 times per day also, no problem. Nothing to worry. Okay, end of the day, what you give is a food. You must remember that. DXN holistic product is 100% registered under food. Okay, not homeopathy, not Ayurveda. Okay, it's a food. That means it can take more amount, no issue. You can prescribe them anything, maybe 2, 2 or 4, 4, 6. If we have a money, no money, finance problem, they can give even more. The more they take, the faster it cleanses the system. Okay? Okay, Audrey?
Okay, thank you.
Good.
Doc,
Yeah.
probably you can suggest how best for people like us to understand the product better, because we are not genius like Visha. So she can by heart and she knows the next term. So for her, it's a piece of cake. But probably for people like us, will take 10 time to read on Ganosylium. Then we by heart. Then when a question pop up, we pengsan with the question. So is there a better way so that we don't freak out by the question? If people say, I get headache, try read Ganosylium. You're still
It's very
alive.
simple. Very simple, Frankie. RG to remove toxin. GL to balance back your cell. Finish. Okay? RG to remove toxin, and GL will balance back the cell. Finish. If you remove the toxin, balance back the cell, enough. Okay? If you go scientific, then you have to ask Pavisha to write the paper. Okay,
so we don't have to explain all the scientific stuff like how Pavisha explained.
But need to know a little bit when you free time. You read my research paper that published already. So get the paper, research and understand. If you don't understand, also never mind, but read. Okay, but read. There are a lot of basic information also I put there. Okay. Anybody else want to share anything? Pavisha, you want to share anything?
Every day I'm sharing, right?
Every day sharing. Sharing in this group.
Talking about this one to add about the G6 PD and the nut allergy. Apart from rosacea and all that, for me, I believe like our colon system is where the nutrition get absorbed. So it's very important, because I do have patients who are lactose intolerant with nuts allergy and all that. But what I do is that I rebuild the colon system, rebuild the colon wall, create the good bacteria, the probiotics and all that. So including your myco-AG and your Morinzyme will be very good, because that will reboot your colon system. Then your absorption also will be very good. So that will actually battle up with your nut allergy and your lactose intolerance, because now I have built a beautiful home for the absorption already. You don't blame the food. Food is not the problem. Problem is the system is not able to adapt to the food.
Okay, so like 5 years, 7 years kids, 12 years kid, I think you also can suggest them to get a myco-AG with Morinzyme. That is a good thing to cleanse the system, because for the baby it's very hard to give myco-AG, but for the adult children more than 6 months, years, you can start to give myco-AG with Morinzyme. So this is the best to cleanse the colon and rebuild the colon layers. Okay. So I think, Frankie, we can wind up if know anything. It's quite long, really.
One question, Doc. There's one question in the chat group, Doc.
Is it? Okay.
Scoliosis. Yeah. I mean, we have done for scoliosis problem, multiple sclerosis, bone related to bone.
Okay, will gynotherapy help those lumbar radioclapsis? Okay, scoliosis is related to the bone issue. That means the structure is no more straight anymore already. Okay, the structure actually it has three types of scoliosis. So we have to see what are the base of this scoliosis, and exercise are playing a big role. So the scoliosis issue, the bone become very softened.
Okay, very softened. So it's supposed to be very strong. It become bendable thing. It become bendable things. So it's very soft. Okay, so we need to strengthen, means that they have a nutrition deficiency in terms of the bone production, calcium, vitamin D, phosphorus, magnesium. So what product is the best for it? Cordyceps is the best for it. Lion's mane is the best for it. Pearl powder is the best. Okay, you can give them a codipine mixed with pearl powder, mixed with the lion's mane powder, cordyceps powder. Give him all the powder. Okay, spirulina. So you can get spirulina, cordyceps powder, lion's mane powder mixed with the codipine, morinzi, or any juices. The key is the three things. Spirulina is added advantage. Then slowly the bone becomes strengthened. Then it won't bend anymore already. So more strengthened it is, the scoliosis things will be slowly reduced with the exercise based on the type of the scoliosis. They got three types of scoliosis. Based on the type, we have to see what type of scoliosis, upper part, lower part, or middle part. Based on that, there is a certain exercise and physiotherapy they need to do that. When they do that, then we can see remarkable changes on this person. Okay, Cheryl? Clear.
Yes.
Good.
For additional information, my brother Dunstan has bamboo scoliosis issue for the last 3-4 years. So we have stopped him from spending 50,000 operation at KPJ. He listened. I told him to go for massage for a year, because he doesn't believe in DXN. So after a year massage, at least we give him time to think. So he saved 50,000. So when Dr. Siva came last year, we slowly introduced him to Dr. Siva. He took the prescription, and today he is clean bill of health. That is a powerful testimony, Dunstan.
Okay.
And he doesn't have to spend 50,000.
Yeah. So you have to ask him and share to us lah. Said to the team. No,
yes.
a big holiday trip. Now cannot lah. After everything settled, we go London lah. Ask him 50,000. We go London.
Wonder whether the Hyderabad trip still on or not.
Hyderabad is postponed.
Postponed.
Further notice. We will go back to the next year. So next year maybe we have 3 trips lah. More trips. I mean,
You want to meet everybody again next week or something to share?
Yeah, sure. Every week we will go on something. So we will do, okay, in the longer run, what we do, we will try to make one person will take one topic and talk. So this is how we can start to train the trainer. Not only I am talking every time. So next time, maybe next week, Selena, you can take one topic. You talk about that. Then we will correct it and we will balance it. Okay?
Doc, one question from Cheryl. What can an obese person take in order to lose weight?
Million dollar question.
Understand? What's that?
What can an obese person take in order to lose weight?
Yeah, obese person, they can take our RGGL, Myco-AG, Morinzyme, pearl powder, spirulina cereal. The best person you can answer is Pavisha. She lost lot of weight.
Pavisha only drinks lemon tea and nothing else.
Huh?
No, you see,
Pavisha only drinks lemon tea and nothing else.
Sharon, the most important thing is increasing your metabolism and your stamina. No point you doing crash diet or you don't eat at all or you do exercise if your metabolism and your stamina is low. So by DXM product, you can increase your metabolism and your stamina. Once you do that, anything you want to do, crash diet or you don't eat rice and sugar, your weight will just fall off like a butter. So what I did for metabolism increase is like what Selena said, I used lemon Z and then I do my exercise. But at the same time, I take a lot of spirulina, Myco-AG, Morinzyme. These three is my key ones because I build my fiber in my colon. Absorption will be very good. So metabolism, stamina, anything I eat good food also, the absorption is very good. So from there, I build slowly. It takes time. It's not going to happen overnight. You're not going to lose 20 kilo. Anybody who lose 20 kilo, 30 kilo, that is plain like a tipu case happening lah. Because after that, you're going to gain 40, 50 kilo. You know, nothing comes easy in this world. But most important, metabolism, stamina increase. That can be done with the DXM product.
Okay, good.
Pavisa, you're saying that generally most of us, the colon system is dirty, especially those who are about probably 40 and above. I presume lah, yeah. So does it mean that it is very important that any prescription that you are to give to any of those who are above 40 or above 50, that we should also prescribe micro-veggie?
Correct. So what I always do to my patients, the new ones, whatever problem it may be, as long as if it's not a serious problem, I always start with them with micro-veggie, Morinzyme, virgin coconut oil. These three things I will give, and they will have to take it for at least the first 1 to 2 months. When they come for follow-up, I will see. Once the colon system very clean and nice, their toilet also lancha, now I will change the medicine to fix and rebalance their main issues. Priority always comes is your colon, because colon is our motherboard. If motherboard goes down, no point you are giving the whole cupboard of DXN, because no absorption will be good. So always must remember, clean your motherboard. Once motherboard cantik, polished, whatever you give, even you give 2 Spirona capsules, so 100% absorb, fully utilized. So I would definitely highly recommend clean the colon system first before you start anything else.
Okay.
Good. So that's why I say always the Mycovita and the Morinzyme is very good for Mycovita pula. Myco-veggie is very good for the colon cleansing. It's a really good product. So that's why I give to a lot of patients on Myco-veggie. When we see the colon have problem, we have to cleanse it first, then we go to the second dosage in the following months. Okay? I think it's already 10 o'clock already. I got another session to go on, 10:45. India webinar, or so many things.
Doc, you need to stop the recording later, yeah, Doc?
Yeah, I will stop the recording. So just nice. I will.
Actually, there is one question from Daniela. As all of you are well versed with the product for specific illness, is there a formula where we can learn what product for what element?
Okay, very easy, Daniel. If you want to know something, you just go to the Google images, you just click on the product. Okay, you just click DXN, for example, DXN pearl powder benefit. You can read everything. Okay, and the images part, lot of images with the benefit together they put. So easy, you can take the picture, you can compile, you can keep, then you can study the book. Okay, so if you want to go to journals, you can type like for example pearl powder journals. Then you type, you can get a lot of journals, research paper. So a lot of information actually in the internet can feed you everything in a fingertips. You wait for me to come in, it's very late. In a single click, you can get all the information. Okay, I also learn a lot from the net. Every time I do a lot of research, get the information from the net, go to the Google images, see, I type pearl powder, get the pearl powder information, type black cumin, get the black cumin information, and you will, later you study, you can talk to people. Okay, good. Everything is inside the internet, actually. Okay, Frankie?
Yeah. Final comment from me, Doc. Slimming Sanctuary charge 5,000-6,000, and the promoters are all slim. So people believe Slimming Sanctuary gives better, effective slimming for women. So when we promote micro-veggie, it's only 1,000 plus. It's cheaper than Slimming Sanctuary.
Correct.
So we must start to be healthy.
Yes, true. Okay, Selena.
Thank you, Doc.
Thank you so much, Doc.
Thank you for everyone's participation.
Yeah, thank you, everyone. Next week we'll arrange again. Yeah, Doc. On Thursday, okay,
Same time.
Thursday, same time. I will send out the link.
Okay, bring more people, bring your members in. We have more people and we keep on growing from the group. Okay?
Yeah. All
Thank
right.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.